Meaning of estrogen.
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 Estrogen. Estrogen is a hormone that is primarily produced in the ovaries of female mammals. It plays an essential role in the development and maintenance of the female reproductive system and sexual characteristics, including breast development and regulation of the menstrual cycle. Additionally, estrogen helps to maintain healthy bones and cholesterol levels. However, an imbalance of estrogen can lead to various health issues, such as infertility, osteoporosis, and certain types of cancer. Overall, estrogen is a crucial hormone for the proper functioning of the female body.